My name is Shiny-Ancita-vlog. Today I am telling about my favorite bird. My favorite bird is parrot. Parrot is beautiful and colorful bird. Parrots are found in many colors like green, blue, yellow, red and orange. Parrot has a strong curved beak and red beak, short neck, two eyes, beautiful wings and long tail feather. Parrot eats nuts, grains, seeds, small fruits and insects, and it likes chili very much. Parrot lives in hollows of trees. Parrot is a talking bird and imitates the human voice. Parrot is a social and human friendly bird. Parrot is an intelligent bird. Parrot is a pet bird. I saw parrot in my aunt house. Whenever I'm going to aunt house, I play with that parrot. That parrot name is Bittu. Bittu means cute and lovely